Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Honda Air Blades. These scooters are popular for their fuel efficiency and sleek design. But like any machine, they're not without their quirks. We're going to look at 10 common problems Air Blade owners face and how to troubleshoot them. Number 1. Starting issues. If your Air Blade isn't starting, check the battery. It might be dead or have loose connections. Also, inspect the spark plug for wear or fouling. A faulty fuel pump could also be the culprit. So listen for the priming sound when you turn the key. Number 2. Engine stalling. Stalling can be frustrating. It's often due to a clogged fuel filter or a dirty carburetor. Make sure to clean or replace these components regularly. Also, check for vacuum leaks, which can disrupt the air-fuel mixture. Number 3. Poor fuel economy. If your scooter is guzzling gas, check your tire pressure. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance. Inspect the air filter and replace it if it's dirty. Also, faulty oxygen sensor can affect fuel efficiency. Number 4. Electrical problems. Electrical issues are common. Start by checking fuses for any blown ones. Inspect the wiring for any damage or corrosion. The voltage regulator might also be faulty, so consider having it tested. Number 5. Clutch issues. Clutch problems can lead to slipping or difficulty shifting gears. Check the clutch plates for wear and tear. Adjust the clutch cable if necessary. Regular maintenance can prevent clutch problems. Number 6. Brake problems. Brakes are crucial for safety. Check your brake pads for wear and replace them if needed. Inspect the brake fluid for leaks and ensure proper brake function. Bleed the brakes if there is air in the lines. Number 7. Suspension problems. If your ride feels bumpy, inspect the front and rear suspension. Check for leaks in the shock absorbers. Consider replacing worn suspension components for a smoother ride. Number 8. Overheating. Overheating can damage your engine. Check the coolant level and ensure it's topped up. Inspect the radiator for any blockages. Also, make sure the cooling fan is working correctly. Number 9. Headlight problems. Headlights are vital for night riding. Check the bulb for any damage. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Replace the bulb if necessary and ensure proper headlight alignment. Number 10. Tire problems. Tire issues are common. Regularly check your tires for wear, punctures, and proper inflation. Replace tires when needed to maintain road safety and handling. So, there you have it. 10 common problems with a Honda Air Blade, and how to fix them. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your scooter running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.